Welcome to today's class. Today we shall be looking at basic operations. In mathematics, we have four basic operations: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Today we shall be looking at the first, which is addition. Under here, first we want to understand what is addition. Addition simply means putting things together. The symbol for addition is plus sign, while the words that are used for addition include add, plus, and the sum. Now let's look at the exercise. First, what is the sum of 2,799 and 204? Here you are required to add these two numbers together. For you to do this, you need to look at the highest number. The highest number here is 2,799. Then you consider the value of the highest digit in the highest number. Here we have this 9 is unit, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000. So since the highest digit is 1,000, you now arrange it this way: 1,000, 100, tens, unit. Then you now put the numbers under 9, 9, 7, 2. Then the second number 4, 0, 2. Then you add them together. 9 plus 4 gives you 13. Write 3, carry 1. Put 1 here, it becomes 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. Add that 1 here, it becomes 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Still carry 1. Add it here, it becomes 3. Then bring down 3. So the sum of 2,799 and the 204 is 3,003.